Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to protect your tweets from unknown person on Twitter. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. A menu list will appear. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy and Safety. Under your Twitter activity, tap on Audience and Tagging. Here you will find Protect Your Tweets. Simply toggle the slider to enable this. From now on, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So in this way, you can protect your tweets from unknown person on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.